Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to make subtasks in Microsoft Project. Now in this project right here, I just have a list of all of the different projects, as you can see right here. And then these are all the different subtasks that we can do. For us to go ahead and create a subtask, first of all we need to do is to basically create a task that we have here. So say for example, I'm just gonna call this main task 5 right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be adding in our subtask right here at the bottom of it. So let's say subtask 1 and say subtask 2 right here. Now for us to go ahead and make this a main task and these two as subtask, what we need to do is to highlight both of them right here. And then we should be able to see these sections right here. So we can go ahead and outdent the task and we can indent the task. So when we go ahead and click indent the task, now these becomes our subtasks right here. And then as you can see, it has made this as a subtask of that task. We can then select this and then outdent it right here. So now this becomes a main task. We can do it one more time. As you can see, this is our main task. And now we have made these two as our subtasks right here. So all we need to do is to use this button to indent it and to make it as a subtask. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.